Lunchtime. Feel like McGilla Gorilla.
Didn't realise this is some of that's cruiser route.
Got to practice somewhere. Hungry. We're going to go down the road, get some takeaway, bit of Red Rooster or KFC or something. Keep the wife happy, keep the boxer happy, keep me happy, keep us from being hungry. So we're just gonna take the Sigger, go to the mighty Smegma, and
Isn't this thing a bit expensive to run?
yeah, no, not really. Straight gas, baby. Like 50 cents a litre or 60 cents a litre, or not a lot.
Alright, so tell me, why have you got the Sigma? What's the reason?
Well, back in the days when I was a young punk,
Oh, we're going right back now.
going right back, I had a Sigma Turbo, and I loved it. It was a pretty cool car around Adelaide at the time. But I sold it because, you know, you do these things, and moved on to many a better thing. So up in Drag Challenge, Street Machine Drag Challenge Queensland earlier in the year, there was an awesome wagon that a guy up there had built. Checking it out, I just thought that's really cool, looks like fun, that'll do. So it was in the back of my mind to build one and then offer a conversion kit using the LS into one of these, or into these Sigmas. Our Mustang hasn't quite eventuated in time for 2019 Drag Challenge, so we thought we'd go and look for a good Sigma, and this one here popped up and over in Melbourne. It's a killer car and a great place to start, so went for a drive, picked it up, and this will be our Drag Challenge weapon now. So currently 5 litre Trimatic Borg-Warner diff, basically that's what it is, going to go LS 4L60 baby cam package in it, possibly from, well, will be from the guys over at VCM Performance. We're aiming for low 11s, possibly crack a 10, but you know, we'll see how we go, and just have a lot of fun driving it, doing Drag Challenge, which is going to be a big one this year. Could I get one flavour wrap combo, large, one chili aioli wrap, large, crispy, yeah, large combo, hot bites, and a classic quarter.
And was there anything else?
That'll do.
Oh, good. Just start up when you're ready, thanks.
No worries. Top secret. I think purge, or is it arm first? So it's arm first, purge.
Danger to manifold.
Danger to manifold. Beep beep. Should change these, shouldn't we? Flashing light.
Funny, the Fast and the Furious had a Sigma in it. I don't know what they were missing out on.
It even works. It even works. Bloody idiot! Lovely quick round trip to Red Rooster. Now we don't got to be hungry, boxer.